Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Lexus LS. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This Lexus has less than 81,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include cold weather package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.